Welcome to our channel. Today we how to schedule a post on Facebook page, content planning guide step by step clearly. To schedule a post on your Facebook page, first, log into your Facebook account. Navigate to your Facebook page by selecting it from the sidebar. Look for the Create Post box at the top of your page. Click on the box to open the post editor. Compose your post by adding text, images, or videos as desired. Once you've finished creating your content, locate the option that says Publishing Options. Click on the arrow next to this option to reveal a drop-down. Select Schedule from the list of available options. A new window will appear, prompting you to choose a date and time for your post. Use the Calendar and Time selector to pick your desired date and time. Ensure that the selected time is set to your appropriate time zone. After setting the date and time, review your post to confirm everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied with your scheduled post, click on the Schedule button. You will receive a confirmation message that your post is scheduled. To view or manage your scheduled posts, navigate to the Publishing Tools section on your page. Select Scheduled Posts from the menu on the left. Here, you can see all your upcoming scheduled posts. If needed, you can edit or reschedule any of your posts from this section. Make any necessary adjustments and confirm the changes to ensure your content is delivered as planned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.